Welcome to Leco Academy. Now in this video we are going to handle a question that came in 2017 paper 2, question 4b. So this question is under mensuration. So the statement here says the figure below is a frustum of a cone. The base diameter and top diameter are 42 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, while the height is 20 centimeter. Take pi as 3.142. So this is the frustum, and the height, that is 20 centimeter, the diameter, that is 42 centimeter for the big base, and for the small base, that is 14 centimeter. Now the question here says calculate its volume. So a frustum is a cone that has been cut. Now the formula that we can apply to calculate the volume of a frustum, that is V, which is the volume, is equal to 1 over 3 pi multiplied by height, open bracket, capital letter R squared plus small letter r squared plus capital letter R multiplied by small letter r. So this is the formula that we apply when calculating the volume of a frustum. Now, to proceed with this, we need to collect data. So on our formula here, we have height, capital letter R and small letter r. The pi has been given. The height, that is 20 centimeter. Capital letter R, it is representing the radius of the big base. And the radius of the big base, now here we've been given the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. So half of this 42, so 42 divided by 2, it will give you 21. So our 21, that is the radius, 21 centimeter. So small letter r is representing the radius of the small base. Now the small base here, we've been given the diameter to be 14, and the radius, we are saying radius is half of the diameter. So this 14, we are going to divide it by 2. If we divide 14 by 2, we are getting 7 centimeter. The pi, they are saying we use 3.142. Now that we have this data, we can substitute in the formula. V is equal to 1 over 3, the pi, that is multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by this h, it is the height, which is 20. So multiplied by 20, open brackets, capital letter R, that is 21. So we square this 21 plus small letter r, that is 7. We square it plus capital letter R multiplied by small letter r. So when it is arranged like this, it means that we are multiplying the radius of the big base and the radius of the small base. So the radius of the big base, that is 21, multiplied by the radius of the small base, that is 7. So for this one, V is equal to, we can punch the figures, we can compute them. So we can start with these that are in brackets. So there we have, so open bracket, 21, we square it, we also have plus 7, we square it, we also have plus 21 multiplied by 7, close. So it is giving us 637. So 67, we then multiply it by this 20 and also this pi here, which is 3.142. So the answer that we have multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3.142, it is giving us that figure. Now the answer that we obtain, since here we have 1 over 3, we are going to divide this 3 into the answer that we have obtained. So divided by 3. So this is the answer. So this is 133 4 3.026. So this one we can round it off to 2 decimal place. So if we round this figure to 2 decimal place, it will be 1 3. We also have a 3 4 3 point to 2 decimal place. The figure after 2 is bigger than 5, so we can borrow 1 from this 6 and put 2 and add to this 2, so this will be 0.3 cubic centimeter. So this is the volume of a frustum. This is how we calculate the volume of a frustum.